You've probably heard a lot recently about exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which resemble mutual funds in structure but can be traded throughout the day like stocks. Well, direction shares are leveraged ETFs, powerful daily trading tools that are designed to help increase exposure and stay agile in rapidly changing markets. Jack is a conservative investor with a buy-and-hold approach, and Jill is an investment professional and active trader who is willing to take on more risk. We'll get into the details in the next section, but first, allow us to explain some important information about the funds. These are not your average ETFs. Direction shares and other leveraged ETFs are specifically designed for sophisticated investors who A. Understand the risks associated with the use of leverage, B. Understand the consequences of seeking daily leveraged investment results, and C. Intend to actively monitor their investments. Direction shares are not intended for conservative investors who A. cannot tolerate substantial short-term losses, B. are unfamiliar with the unique nature and performance characteristics of funds that seek leveraged daily investment results, and C. are long-term investors who do not monitor their portfolios frequently.